Consumer behavior through the lens of anti-consumption and minimalism. What is anti-consumption? Anti-consumption is the resistance, distaste, and overall rejection of consumption of material products. The topic leads us to question whether anti-consumption is different or related to terms such as ethical consumption, environmental consumption, and consumer resistance. This leads us to consider minimalism, the lifestyle that emphasizes owning and consuming fewer material possessions. It connects anti-consumption to those related terms in a clear way. Minimalists focus on quality over quantity, decluttering physical and mental spaces, and generally value long-term worth, simplicity, and happiness. Minimalistic principles revolve around intentionality, mindfulness, and prioritizing experiences over material accumulation. People choose minimalism for various reasons, including well-being and mental clarity, environmental consciousness, financial considerations and mindfulness, and ethical considerations. As mentioned earlier in this video, minimalists can gain mental clarity by decluttering, owning less, and in turn reducing stress levels. Minimalists can also gain and maintain their well-being through the rejection of status and avoiding comparing themselves or competing with others. Minimalism supports environmental sustainability and promotes mindful consumption by reducing waste and optimizing resource utilization. Making intentional choices and buying less can impact overall consumption and reduce waste. Reducing quantity and focusing on quality ultimately reduces waste and reduces the burden on landfills. With consistent economic pressures, minimalists develop financial awareness and become smarter in their spending habits. When they reduce impulse spending, they increase their savings. They develop their lifestyle such that they always consume with reason and necessity. This includes prioritizing experiences over material possessions or investments over purchasing. Minimalists' focus on quality typically leads them to choose products that are ethically sourced and sustainably produced. In turn, they support businesses with responsible environmental and labor practices. These principles often lead to reducing the demand for production of organizations that thrive on labor exploitation, ultimately challenging inequality and poor treatment of individuals. Minimalists can put a great deal of effort into DIY projects to repair or create what they need rather than purchasing to fulfill their needs. By developing the skills to create on their own, they can resist and refrain from overconsumption. Those who are financially conscious may rely on thrifting to maintain an affordability standard and reduce overconsumption. They may also sell unwanted possessions and create a supplementary income. The minimalist movement poses a challenge for companies, especially those based on overconsumption and overproduction. They now need to consider how to appeal to the minimalist consumer. Advertisements often target creating a need based on identity and status to encourage consumers to respond by purchasing. Minimalists critique overconsumption and advocate for the durable, repairable, and long-lasting products. Keeping this in mind, brands can turn a challenge into an opportunity. Brands can rebrand and promote their sustainable practices and improvement of product quality that can be used for extended periods, or reusable and renewable. In pursuit of maximizing their appeal to minimalist consumers, companies are striving to optimize transparency and rise as ethical corporate citizens, promoting growth by sourcing ethically and being sustainable. Ethical brands flourish when communicating their values through the simplest means and easily understood signage, such as certifications and traceability. Brands that appeal to minimalist consumers. Cotton. They promote timeless design, and their goal of creating a shirt that will not compromise quality, price, or the integrity of others. Encircled. They promote long-lasting, versatile clothes that prioritize ethics throughout the creation process without sacrificing quality. Frank. They focus on creating ethically made and sustainable clothing. They promote timeless style, quality craftsmanship, and comfort. 10 Tree. They promote fair, safe working conditions and are fabricated using sustainably sourced and recycled materials. Frank and Oak. They promote their products as long-lasting and inspiring a better lifestyle. They advertise combining innovation with eco-friendly processes to help shape a healthier environment. Wild Flow Studio. They promote minimalistic and versatile loungewear produced from organic cotton and recycled materials. Fable. They promote simple, timeless, and responsible designs, and their dedication to becoming a zero-waste company. Aesthetic Living. They promote sustainability, quality, and natural beauty. They promote their furniture as relaxation-inducing. Sundays. They promote their products as high quality and long-lasting. They emphasize functionality, visual appeal, and physical relaxation. Mim Concept. They promote their brand as a reflection of simplicity, quality, and purpose, and their products as a way to elevate a space and the way we live. Ursa Minor. They promote quality fabrics that are renewable and eco-friendly. The creator of the company also appeals to minimalists by claiming to be a minimalist as well. EQ3. They emphasize their pride in their process and their product. Their focus is on producing long-lasting, timeless products made with quality materials. Moving forward, brands can embrace the challenge and turn it into an opportunity to appeal to the minimalist consumer through rebranding and adjusting practices to promote quality, durability, sustainable materials, ethical production, and transparency. Thank you for watching.